In this video, we're going to look at how we can plan our gross written premiums in Anaplan. Many of our customers come to us with the challenge of trying to use Excel to plan their gross written premiums across varying levels of granularity. This can involve planning at a policy level and wanting to apply assumptions at a higher level of aggregation, say at a subclass level, and then bring the results of both of these together to create a combined forecast of GWP. This can be very difficult to try and achieve in Excel, but Anaplan allows us to very easily work across these different levels of granularity, as we're going to see now. From this page, I can maintain my in-force policies and update policy assumptions through future underwriting years. I can select individual policies to not renew, and I can also override future GWP for any specific policy. However, I can then go on to make further premium adjustments at the subclass level. By selecting my aircraft hull subclass, I can see the in-force GWP that's pulled through from my policy level assumptions, and now I can enter further assumptions at the subclass level. For example, assumptions around non-renewed business, assumptions around changes in rates, and finally, some new business assumptions. All of these values together have combined to create my total forecast GWP.